Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a very simple and easy drawing for Pongal using black pen and white paper. You can draw this for drawing competition in your school or also gift it as a greeting card to your friends and family. I have kept this plain, but you can also color it if you want. I hope you all like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.